Automatic logical view name generation. So this is something similar to automatic key name generation we have seen before. So in this case, if you don't specify logical view name, then logical view name will be automatically created for you based on URL. So suppose we have a URL, HTTP localhost and registration.html. Result in logical view name of registration here, something like this. So in this case, when we have a method called the handle request. So when we created model and view object, we didn't specify any view. So you can specify the view here as a constructor argument, or you can call set view name method of model and view object to set the view. And again, those two are recommended practice than implicitly getting assigned a view name. But if you do not specify the view explicitly, then view name will be created for you. So in this case, it will take the last fragment of the URL, and that will be used to set the view. Okay. Because this is simple, I'm going to just demonstrate it and we'll move on. So this is auto view generation package application. So I am going to right click and run as Java application. Okay, so it started. So let's see. Okay, so automatic view generation. If I click this guy, it will just display the name. So in this case, it will actually use the view of this guy, automatic view generations. Okay, because that is the URL at the end, automatic view generations. Oh, it's actually automatic view generations, and this one is automatic view generation. That's interesting. So let's take a look at the code. So yeah, so this is the automatic view generation URL, and that is what should be chosen. So we have not set the view here. So we are asking the Spring MVC to select the view for us. So it should actually select the automatic view generation.jsp page. Okay. So that should be the case. So let's see if you take a look at this guy, and here SRC main, and here WebINav views and hello world automatic generation. Yeah, so that should be the one. So let's see what is the maybe this is the so this is incorrect, so it should be automatic generation rather than, so this is the typos error in the JSP page itself, but it was actually seeing automatic view generation. If you actually go to automatic generation 2, so let's actually try that. So here, was that this guy? Yeah, so if you do automatic generation 2, then okay, so now it's 4.4. So the reason is automatic generation 2. Let's see, first of all, if you have any method that handles this guy. That's probably the case. We don't have any controller method that handles it. So go to the my controller. Oh, is this? Yeah, my controller. And so we certainly do not have any method that handles it, right? So in this case, if we change this to my automatic view generation 2, then then it should actually display correctly. So stop it and run it. So this time it should select the automatic view generation 2.jsp page as a default, as actually an implicit view. Okay, so if I do refresh this page, then it should work. Okay, so it should work. At least it doesn't have any students found, but at least it actually goes to the right page. Okay. All right, so that is relatively straightforward. So I am going to just oh, looks like I didn't stop it, so I'm gonna just